Hello there. This is a mini tutorial on how to record your tracks on Sonic Pi. Basically, there's a rec button. We will use it to record our tracks. And it doesn't mean that when you hit this run and you cannot make any changes on your code. I mean, you can continuously edit your code during the recording. Okay, do not restrict yourself to create the whole code and leave it for recording. So let's do it in short. Before starting, I just hit rec button. It starts the record and then I run it. And during the track, I can alter my codes like this and then run it. So as you can see or hear, it doesn't affect the flow of my track. So feel free to change or make changes on your track during the recording. Or let's change this one to G6 maybe and run it. So sometimes it throws error, but if your recording doesn't stop, you can correct your mistakes like this one. I put comma again, run, and then it's okay. So at least keep your track above 2 minutes or maybe more. Then when you feel it's okay, just stop your Sonic Pi, wait for the fade out to the complete silence, then you can free to push that rec button again and Sonic Pi asks for where to save your track as a WAV file. So I name my track within my name and surname, the relevant week for the class and the assignment, then name of your track, like, I don't know, it's up to you. Ambient Dream. Hit save. Then grab your file from the location. It's here. You can use a web page like this in order to convert your track from WAV to MP3. Then post your MP3 file to the assignment pool on LMS.